welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Lady Raga for November month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But before that, let me tell you the price for a monthly subscription. Price for a monthly subscription is 555. And don't worry, I will be mentioning the buying link in the description box. Now let's quickly come back to the box and see what all it has. So the first thing is this. This is the Lady Raga bag. And of course, the quality is quite good. I have already one or let's say two of these bags, I guess. So yes, I love the color and it's pretty good quality bag. You can just see the zipper here. This is the inside. This is how it looks. Now, moving on to the next one. The next is these two cards I have. One is in pink color. The second one is in orange color. This one is the info card. So let's start with the first product. The first product is by Makeup Revolution. My Sign Complete Eye Base Virgo or Aquarius. I guess it has two different shades. So this is how it looks from outside. So the packing is really nice. I like it. Very beautiful packing. And now let's open it and see that how it looks from inside, because from outside it's really beautiful and I'm not really able to open it. Okay, done. So this is the one and this is the Aquarius. You can just see here. And if once you open it, this is the one and I love it. So this one is the base. And then you have hair for your brows, then you have eyeshadows here, then you have shimmer hair, highlighter, you can say. So yes, very compact. I love the color, turquoise, bluish kind of a color, greenish kind of a color. So yes, overall package, I like it because black is quite useful. Then you have a highlighter here, then you have base hair, then for brow, it has like full kit hair. So yes, I love it. Really pretty, very useful, and I'm definitely going to use it. The price for this one is 850 rupees. So of course, for me, this is the star product in the box. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is by Blush, and this is a handmade gel, and this is how it looks. And it's a handmade gel, so yes, I like it. And one more thing, I've showed you the pink card. Yes, this is from Blush, and they have given so many benefits of this gel, which is amazing. And let me just read some for you. So it says it will revitalize your skin, control puffiness of your eyes, help in sunburn, regenerate your skin, and reduce dark circles, treats blemishes, reduce eye wrinkles, remove excess water, under eye bags. So yes, by this, this looks really nice. And packing wise, it's quite very simple kind of a packing, like plain plastic jar with a white simple sticker here. And the fragrance is quite nice. This is the color. Though I'm not very happy, and I'm not really sure about this one that I will be using it. But the fragrance is nice, and yes, ingredient, it has rose water, rose oil, rose powder. So it's all about rose. That's why it's a rose gel. The price for this one is 450 rupees. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is 2 Max Body Bikini Shaver, a razor, you can say. The price for this one is 170 rupees, and these are the one. These are the one. Okay. 170 is the price for these two. Next one is a pair of earrings, and this is the one that I love the packing. It's really cute pouch. White and gold is the color. And the price for these earrings are 140 rupees. And let me just show you the look. Okay. So these are the earrings. 140 is the price. Let me just wear it and show you the look. And I can wear both of them because right now I'm not wearing anything in my ears. Wow, so this is the look. You can just see they are golden color, so pretty safe. And the look is really nice. So they will go with everything, Western, Indian, anything. So yes, I like it. Pretty safe and pretty earrings. So yes, happy 140 is the price. Now moving on to the next one. The next one is a festive product worth ₹499, which I have not received it. So I won't be able to show you the product because I haven't got it. Okay. So regarding that, I'm gonna mail the problem to Lady Raga, and I'm definitely sure they will be sending me the product. But all of you will be getting a festive product worth ₹499. Now let's move on to the next one. The next one is the surprise gift, which is the best part about Lady Raga. I really like it. So this is the surprise gift, Chotu red in color. Let's just open this and see what is there in this surprise bag. Like really pretty red color packing it has. Okay. Wow. Okay, so it has a beautiful ring and the packing is really nice. So this is the ring look. So you can just see it's very pretty and it's a surprise gift. So yes, I'm happy. Pretty ring. And now the last one is this one. This is the Lady Raga vanity bag, which I've already showed you. And that's all what I've received in my Lady Raga for November month. And if you ask me, I really love, for me, the star product is this one. It's a really like beautiful kit. I think it has the primer, plus it has the eyeshadows, then it has the brow, and then it has the highlighter there. So I think very compact and good. And I really want to correct myself. Actually, I said base, but it's not the base thing. That's the primer here. So yeah, star product is this one, and that's all what I have received. I will be mentioning everything in the description box. So if you like it, go ahead and buy this box. So that's all for today. I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.